Johnny.
Huh? We going to fish and Aaron's coming.
Aaron's here.
Aaron's here? Wow, wait! I never seen us on, Mom.
Keep your sandals on.
It's now. Another with me in this. Aaron! Aaron! Aaron? It's Aaron go.
That way.
That way?
Johnny.
What? This Aaron that way?
Hey!
Johnny boy.
Aaron!
Hi, high five.
I know the back of the boat's moving, but it just tugged hard. Look at it, y'all go watch it.
Yep. Amen.
He's on it, y'all go, he's on it. Reel, 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 reel.
Yeah, I want real.
There you go.
I want real.
I got all of that. Take your time, you're not in a hurry.
He's going up. No.
He'll swim at you. You don't believe he's off until you get the rod to the boat. Watch out, monkey, so I can get over here and net him.
I want him.
You can't, you're not tall enough. There we go. Keep that from getting away. Good fish, Yago.
Dada. This is by your house. This is by your house.
I gotta go measure and see how many we got over 20 inches. We're only allowed 8 over 20.
Yes, one.
And under 20 and over. You can,
Under 20?
can,
No, 20, over 20 you can only keep.
Dada.
2 over 20. Put it down, you don't need your rod.
2 over 20 and how
Per
much
person.
under?
Per person.
Okay.
Under 20, under 20 inches, 25 per person. So we could keep 100.
Okay.
But I'm sure this one's over 20. Watch out, Aaron. Watch out. Yep, that one's 21, 20, almost 22. So,
Almost 22.
1, 2, 3. We got 2 under and 4 over right now. So we can only catch 4 more over 20 inches.
more, okay.
I know that's your fishing rod. I forgot it was in here, but you don't need that one right now. It don't work for this kind of fishing.
You wanna change the bait?
No, no, it's still working. You see that? I started reeling. Yeah. He jumped clean out of the water. Is he still on? Yeah, he's still on. He's bigger than I thought.
I want to reel him in.
It's too late. I got him in already.
No, I got him.
I got him, Yago.
Okay. Open up.
Oh,
No.
turn it the other way. Just open this one, Aaron.
Open up. Open up.
And we got what? 4? This is 5. Good deal.
So that big fishy.
Yeah, this rod, they're not hitting that rod anymore.
Oh, they'll hit it. It just takes them a while to find it sometimes. And sometimes you got to change the bait back over. We've been using this cut carp. Sometimes you got to change it and go right back to the shad, and then they'll start hitting again.
Gonna fight a lot tomorrow. Huh? There's several fights.
How many people are in his division? 5?
5 kids on the gi, and no gi. There's only 1 kid. So if you beat that kid, it don't matter.
Jumping catfish. Man, that's almost fighting like a channel cat. Little blue. Good, that's what we want. Want a bunch of these little ones. A brasso.
Let me see.
Oh, there we go. You want it?
No, go ahead.
Huh. I keep waiting on us to get a double.
Blue?
Another good eater, yeah. Under 20-inch blue. Look at that. Tug, tug, tug.
Nice one.
Eater blue. Here's this way.
The knife?
Yeah, it's right there behind you. Actually, no, this way it comes off. I turned off the freaking camera.
It's always like that.
Yep. And that little joker got the head, was trying to eat that big hunk of bait. I wonder if there's a fish on this. Dude, there's a fish on this line. Yago, look.
No,
yeah. Oh, please tell me I'm recording. Oh, yeah, I am. You caught a double, Yago.
Oh my
You caught a fishing line, and there was a fish on the line.
cow,
And we
man.
got it on video.
That was luck.
That's unbelievable, dude.
Let me put that
Dude,
in.
that's an old fishing line.
Let me grab the.
Just cut it with a knife. Right next to his mouth. Go, boy. Dude, and that's all on
You have a
video.
little bitty thing to go inside the.
No, we're just gonna put him in the ice chest. It don't matter.
Okay, let me grab that.
Come on, dude. Dude, that is hilarious. Well, you've definitely done something I've never done, Yago. In all my years of fishing, I have never done that. Caught a fish. I got it. Caught a fish with a fishing line, people. We pulled the other fishing line in, and then this one was in its mouth. So he got a double on one. Dude, that's unbelievable. Nobody's gonna believe that. If it wasn't on video, they'd be like, man, you're full of crap. And we got quite a few catfish in here, people. Look at that. That is a mess of dinner right there.
Not bad, huh?
Yeah, your wife would be happy for one. She'll be happy. He might still be on it. Yep, that one's on it. Aaron, you want to reel this one in?
Come on, Aaron, let's go. Quick.
Between the legs, hand up here, in front of the reel. Now reel. Just reel. There you go. Good job, Aaron.
Too fast. There you go. Little fisherman.
There you go, Aaron. Good. Boy. Pescador. Is that it?
Pescador.
Pescador?
Pescador.
I thought it was pescador is Espanol.
Peixador is like a goldfish.
Ah, okay. Okay. There you go. Keep pulling him up. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Don't put it so deep like this right here. Now pull. Reel. Reel. There you go. It takes a long time to get the technique of reeling. All right. Let me see the rod. You see him? All right. Watch this. We're going to lift your fish up. Oh, there he is. Boy. Good job, Aaron.
Good job, man.
And he's an eater cat. He's not over 20 inches. Watch that black rod behind Aaron.
You want to take another picture? Huh? To show Reed. Reed was asking about you. Just hold.
All right, hold that. Grab that right there. There you go.
Look at me.
Lower. There you go. Good job.
There you go. Put them over there. Open and then you let go. Okay?
You want another one, Aaron?
You want to go grab that one? Quick. Go.
All All right, between the legs, other hand up here, other hand in front of the reel. See you power. Nope, not over the line. There you go, now reel. There you go, Aaron. There you go, good. I got him. Aaron's got the full camo hat on, everything.
Let's go, Aaron.
There you go.
Let's go, we're almost there.
Come on, Aaron, you got him. Pump him up.
Let's go.
All right, stop right there. Let's lift him up. Oh, little pesci gato.
Good job, Aaron. Hey, look, go closer.
He's gonna take off. He's like, country's gonna hit me with the fish.
I think the...
Ah. So you can get a photo? I don't know if that'll fit in his mouth. Ah. Hang on. Now stick it in there. Now clamp it down. Squeeze it. Squeeze it. Squeeze the handles.
The handles, Aaron.
Squeeze them together. Hard, hard, hard. Squeeze, squeeze. Awesome. There you go, boy. There you go.
There you go. Look over here. Look over here. There you go. Good. Now put on, open up. Strong. Let's go. Da força.
A força. More force? Did you say ada força?
Need help.
So everybody, we had a pretty good day. Not quite a limit of small blue cats, eater cats, but we did pretty good. Plenty for Yago and his family to enjoy.